What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another vlog. Today what I'm gonna be doing is going to pick up some wheels for the Civic. The guy, it seems like it's a warehouse or something. I saw his OfferUp page. I found him on OfferUp. Seems like he sells wheels. It's a 25-minute drive. There's some MST T37 Ultra looking type of wheels. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say 37s because they're not, but it's okay. I think the car will still look good. They'll be 15x8 with a -0 or a 0 offset, actually, not negative, 0 offset. Yeah, let's go ahead and pick them up, show you guys when I'm there. We're literally down the street. I saw this pretty clean Camaro, pretty nice. I think this is it. Here we are. Let's load up the wheels. We got the goods. Damn, dad, those T37s? Nah, they T7s, bro. That's what they look like. I'll show you guys when I get home. I don't want to mess up my interior on the daily. At least they were nicely packaged, like 2 in each. Makes it really simple to unload. Like wheels. Let me go ahead and show you the T37s. I mean the T7s. They clean though, they clean. Which one was the one that was open? So like I said, they're 15x8, 0 offset. They're these. I kind of do like the lip. So I should order the tires soon, and I'll just go ahead and start the car, I don't know, today or tomorrow. But yeah, seems like things are moving around pretty quick. Already got the wheels. I already ordered the front end, headlights, and all that stuff. So I'll continue this another day. So it's like 2 days after buying the wheels. We got Peter right here working out, Mr. Box. So you guys saw the wheels. We got the bumper, 99 2000 bumper, and we got the fenders. Waiting on the headlights and the hood, but for now we're just gonna take off the front end and save and dictate.
I don't think you take off the one over there on that side.
no, there's some down here.
What are they, 10s?
Everything's pretty loose already. Just gotta take off some of the bolts on the bottom. Peter is over there helping on the side. #1 employee. Almost there. We're almost there, we're almost there. Headlights are pretty much ready to come out. Just gotta disconnect them. Easy peasy. Oh yeah. For sale, hit me in the DM. Slide in the DMs. You're tired of working, Pierre?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not go away, I won't. To the puzzle, bro. Stop. Easy peasy. Oh,
Not so easy now, buddy.
Get stuck right there in the fender liner. Vida? Who needs a manual for this?
Bro.
Ah, fucking. Oh, these are stuck.
You think so? Maybe if you take off the one in here, check it out, bro. Maybe that one right there. Maybe. Just maybe. Let's give it another yank.
Yeet.
Let's give it another yank. It's over here.
Let me see.
One yank and 2 ugga-duggas.
Oh yeah.
Putting another bolt in.
This one?
Comes out with it. Comes out.
Are you gonna know how to put this back?
Not really.
Beautiful. It's not bad. You know? You think I'll get like $30?
Fresh paint.
That'll work.
Yeah, I think Boosted Boys might need these parts.
Maybe they're building another car.
Boosted boys. You guys are watching this?
Sliding
Probably you're not, but I mean, most likely you're not, but slide in the DMs if you are. Got a whole front end for your hatch.
For the low. And where did this go like?
Are you gonna remember where it goes?
Lamborghini tag.
Give it to me. Right here.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We get the other side.
See?
Yeah.
Peter does know something about something like.
No, he doesn't.
Pretty much a Honda guru. You need help with the Honda? Make a wish and I'll help here in a little.
You gotta say Peter's name 3 times like. Pretty much done. What we're gonna do is take off these little fender moldings, put them on the other ones, and then we're done. We heard the FedEx truck. Is there some parts? Yes. Indeed, it is some parts. Let's drag them in. Goodbye. All right, let's open this up. I believe these are probably the headlights. Yeah, so these are the headlights. Black housing, pretty clean, super cheap. Now I could arrange the front end. I was gonna try and put the fenders without having the headlights, but I just think it's easier for me to put the headlights and then go around that. The hood, I don't have the hood yet, but I don't really need the hood. I think the hood will just fit easy. Put it on, slap it on or whatever, and easy peasy, not much to it. It's the front end you gotta mess with. Align it up and all that. This, if I had to guess, maybe the lip, no, not the lip. The grill. Let me open it up real quick. So this, I was completely wrong. It's not the lip. This is actually like a Duluck spoiler wing for it. So this will go somewhere right here and raise up. It'll look better. Turbo, be quiet. You're gonna be nice to the viewers. So there's that, and then this is just like the portion it attaches to. Oh no, this is the wing. This is the wing, and then this is the mount. So it'll go something like that. That'll look much better. I'll go ahead and continue this video. Well, before I say that, me and Mr. Box were checking yesterday because I really want AC in this thing. So we were checking yesterday. It's a little dark in here, but we pulled all this out, and obviously there was some sort of short or something going on right here. It's burnt cables. We noticed part of the harness on the fan will turn on, but when you push the AC button or any of this, it does not light up. We noticed part of the harness on the climate control is burnt. So gonna go to the junkyard in the next few days and try and figure that out, but I think we can make it work. I hope I do, because I don't care about the radio, but I do want AC to work. That's a big thing right now. It's super hot. So this is the same day where I said I needed to go to the junkyard. I'm in luck because Mr. Box went to the junkyard. Luckily he called me. I guess we were thinking alike. He called me and I told him what I needed, and he said he found everything. So hopefully that's true. And then this got here in the mail as well, some billet LCAs, and then I don't want to take this out, but it's a billet sway bar subframe or something like that, but it's in there. Let's see what Mr. Box got. Here's what you find for my little Civic. What's up? Ooh.
Wait, this one? I had to buy it all completely because the shoes weren't coming out.
And does it fit right there?
Yeah, it came off of this.
It came out of that one.
You see? I don't see.
You want to hear the biggest rip off of the junkyard?
What?
How much do you think these were?
15 bucks a piece.
That would have been a bigger rip off.
What is it?
25 bucks for both?
Oh, but they work. What's this for?
Trunk light? For the trunk on mine?
Oh,
They don't work there.
okay. Now we're gonna have cold AC now?
We got a grill.
I got all kinds of shit.
What's that for?
For the
Gas
filler
cap.
right there.
This bullshit.
About this one.
She didn't even charge you for the cigarette lighter, right?
She did. Fucking love it, but that's the best it's gonna get with.
Dang.
It's all complete away.
Let's try it out. Hell yeah. Well, they're it's not OEM, but OEM style.
Yeah, I didn't realize the backseat was this fucking clean. Pinche seats, más o menos.
I paid top dollar to get it this clean, boy. Okay. We just need to do a little bit of work, but
Top dollar discount.
look at this.
Bro, you need a whole dash here.
What are you waiting for? The bumper no más?
The vents, way.
Oh yeah, maybe yeah.
So that was
You gotta connect it to where.
No wonder
Oh, that shit was already cut
You
off.
ripped it, way.
I ripped it.
You gotta move the cables out. Please.
Oh, fuck.
It's blowing cold already.
Oh, it's stuck.
This one still has a napkin in there from the other
It's
day.
stuck? Ooh. I think it's blowing cold. No, turn it on though. Turn on the car.
Yeah, I thought you said it needed to be recharged.
It was this thing.
Does it blow pretty cold? It's pretty good.
It's not bad, right? Rev it.
Oh, I got colder.
Mr. Box coming in clutch.
AC fix for the cheap, you know?
Hey,
Oh, that shit is cold, way.
Yeah.
We can swap it out the other
Oh,
one.
I'm saying the vent, look.
We can swap it out.
Los estos están no.
Hey, we can swap it out.
Yeah, with AC works.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, it comes out.
I'm not gonna lie, this makes me real happy. AC.
Swap out the little buttons from the other one.
Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna have to make, out of the two, we're just gonna make one.
Boss coming
Ice
through.
cold, yeah, straight from the Rocky Mountains. Doesn't get no more colder than this.
I only drink Evian, bro. Take this shit out of here.
We only drink box water.
No, we only drink that peach shit.
Because he's Mr. Box, you get it? We're gonna be doing some plastic welding to this little piece right here, the little vent. I don't want to hit VTech and lose it, you know? Powerful.
AC's gonna blow cold. You don't need it to move.
You're gonna be wearing sweaters in 100-degree weather.
Wait.
You know?
Works pretty good, too.
I think you have to, can you hold it like that? Yeah.
You're a little smarter than I thought, boss.
I'm a man of many trades, bro.
Many Mickey Mouses.
Cause your hand's getting wet. Not bad, huh?
Do you approve?
And you guys learned something new today. No, he's gonna do that shit to his Mustang right now. Ain't even bother. He's gonna. Wow, this is the best it's gonna get. The bottom's all warped, so it doesn't fit perfect. But turn on the car. Let's try the AC again. Oh fuck! No. Why are these on? Fuck it. I call that a win.
Ice cold.
Yeah, that's a win for sure.
Don't touch him.
This is what we cut out. Bad wiring.
Fuck, funny you could like take that section out.
So I think this is gonna stay looking ugly. I cut part of it. There's no way I'm gonna replace the whole dash over this piece. So we're gonna tuck everything like Bruce Jenner. So that's pretty much gonna end the video. We got the wheels and we got a bunch of parts delivered. Go ahead and got the AC working, which is probably the main thing that I'm happy right now. But go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.